Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Chris. Before we get started, if this is your first time joining, please subscribe down below, hit that bell notification so you get notified when my videos come out, and like this video. Today, we are talking about the K&N Charge Pipe coupled with the engine intake. The Charge Pipe is for the ECODIESEL V6 Grand Cherokee, and it's an awesome, easy little add-on to get rid of that baffle that is in the center of the charge pipe. It's like a little plastic piece. I had the CFT one on there. This is like an aluminum piece, all solid, made by K&N with some mounting hardware. It's really nice. To get this piece, you have to contact K&N directly. They don't offer it just by itself on their site. However, it's super cool, super clean, easy install. And I'm not sure if it makes the biggest difference in the world. However, it does sound awesome. And it is kind of hot to the touch. Not sure if it's better than stock, who knows, whatever. I just think it's a super cool add-on and it looks great with the engine intake. So let's jump to the garage. I'm gonna show you guys the part. We'll get it installed and just drive around. So let's get this video started. Wow. I honestly don't anticipate this being much louder than the baffle from CFT. Yeah, honestly, seems about the same right now. I was a little concerned about the fitment when I first got the K&N piece put on. Maybe a little more sound. Nothing like crazy significant. Again, I'm just kind of doing a little neighborhood stroll here. There you go. A little more downshift kind of whistle. Oh, yeah. I don't know if you guys are gonna pick that up or if the GoPro's gonna pick that up. This is with sport mode on. See here? Oh yeah, it opens up there. Huh. Yeah, it's definitely a little bit more than it was. Not sure if I prefer it yet. I mean, usually I'm pretty subtle and never put exhaust in my car, so triple whistle noises are kind of new to me. I don't know yet. I guess I'll have to get used to it. Let me see something here. Yeah, roughly the same. Just a little bit different. Maybe a little more whistle. So yeah, that's that. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining today. If you like this content, please subscribe down below, hit that bell notification, and like this video. I'll catch you guys next week with a lot more WK2, Grand Cherokee, ECODIESEL stuff coming out, and a lot more off-road stuff here in the future. So stick around, catch you guys then. Peace out.